Alright, today we're changing out a frequency drive for a half horsepower desiccant wheel for a Semco makeup air unit on high-rise downtown. So this Toshiba 16-year-old drive would not reset. I disconnected the wires to it. What's going in is a Yasukawa, and it's slightly different, so we can figure this out. Alright, take 4. Today we're fixing a frequency drive. We're replacing a frequency drive on a Semco makeup air rooftop unit downtown. If you know where that is or what that is, you'll know where I am. And frequency drive controlled the desiccant wheel drive motor with that not spinning, the burner wouldn't light, so it wasn't providing any heat. The old drive was a Toshiba, about 16 years old, and the new drive is a Yasukawa. The control terminal designations were somewhat different, well, completely different, but it came with a little book, and found that this one is 0 to 10 volts is what controls the drive, and they went on terminals A1 and AC, 0 to 10 volts DC signal, which came off of this little controller here, right there on M and Y1. That's our signal which runs this drive. The other two are just auxiliary inputs proving that the blower motor is on. And then you just have to put your line and load wires, so your feed wires and your wires feeding the motor on in the proper order. So you want to mark those. Then had a little programming list, which is this is all they provided, which makes no sense at all until you read the book on page 87. I did have to page through this entire book to figure out how to change settings and where those control wire terminals spots went. Okay, so I just powered it up, and that's the frequency. It's 1.4 hertz, so it's not really moving yet, but it'll take off. The burner is on the complete other side of this thing. To hop down, go around, say boo to that seagull, hop up, go in here, burner box. Okay. And okay, so I have nothing in there yet, but it goes through a timer. Oh, grand. So that just booted up, took about 2 or 3 minutes, and when the burner fires, that 66 temperature will start rising. That's the flame lockout. The burner is behind this wall inside the unit. Okay, I heard a click. It fired up. It's in low fire. I know it stays in low fire for about 5 minutes. So that's cool. I'll leave this door open for a few minutes because I'm walking past here again. So our frequency drive right now is at 45 hertz and the burner's in low fire, and we're running again. Okay, after about 5 minutes of running, went from low fire to high fire, and I can see my temp is climbing. And This is the temperature control module. Set point 66. The discharge air is 55. It just started, so the hertz on my new freak drive is 120, and this thing is a Semco EPG-18. Close that panel, and let's get out of here. Alright, well, I hope that helps anybody who has to work on an abomination like this thing.